Okay, so we are on the Pear Deck. This is what your slides are going to look like. You got your instructions over here on the left, and you got a problem that you need to solve on the right using the distributive property. And you're able to use the pencil, different colors, highlighter, draw lines and text, and erase. The only tools you really need to use for this assignment are the pencil, text, and the eraser. So number one, draw arrows from the common factor to each term in the parentheses. And so this 3 is the common factor. So I'm going to draw arrows first from the 3 to the 5, and that's a little bit thick, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Heads up, you can change the size right here. So we don't need it to be that thick, and I'm just using my mouse to draw. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. So there's my first arrow, 3 to the 5. This tells me I'm going to multiply 3 times 5. Draw my second arrow over here. Some people call these rainbows, and this tells me I'm going to multiply 3 times x. Now, you could draw for the next step, or you could use the text tool. Let's read the instruction. 2. Write 2 new multiplication problems in the 2 blank sets of parentheses. So here are our blank sets of parentheses. We're going to write 2 new problems. The first one is going to be 3, and I'll just draw it. 3 times, that's what the asterisk means, 3 times 5, the first term inside the parentheses. Now I'm going to move to my second set of parentheses. I still have 3, that I'm following the second arrow. 3 times x. Instruction number 3, place an addition or subtraction sign between the 2 blank sets of parentheses. They are not blank anymore, but our 2 sets of parentheses here. Since this is a subtraction sign here, this is going to also be subtraction. Instruction number 4, perform the multiplication and write your answers on the blank lines. I'm going to do the multiplication step here. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times x is 3x. And 5, bring down the addition or subtraction sign. You're finished. So 15 minus 3x. 3 times the quantity 5 minus x simplifies to 15 minus 3x using the distributive property.